Over the years, IGS has developed a large number and wide range of technologies, from high velocity thermal spray to ceramic coatings, remote operated vehicles, and high temperature cameras. Now, the beauty of all these technologies is that not only are we the inventors of them, but we're also the technical evaluators and the sole applicators. Our crews actually install these technologies. And so at an olefins or ethylene site, or a downstream refinery with catalytic reforming, steam methane reforming, those are the kinds of units that typically would benefit from the technologies that we've developed over the years. Think of it as the hotter the furnace runs or the fire heater operates, the better the match is for the technologies that we can bring to bear.